Hey everyone, these are the water filters for the Frigidaire Puresource refrigerators made by Waterdrop. They come in a 2-pack or a 3-pack, and these are just so much more affordable than the Frigidaire ones or a bunch of other ones out there. And they work just as good because they contain that coconut shell carbon on the inside, which filters out so many contaminants. And these are good for 6 months. And they come with stickers to remind you when to replace them. So right now it's January, I would use the July sticker and put that on my filter cover to help me remember when it's due for another change. So I always start off by putting a hand towel underneath, just because a few drops of water always fall out during the process. And then you just simply twist your cover off. And then you want to pull out the old filter. And yeah, it was time to definitely change this one out. Then grab your new one and put it in until you hear it click. And then replace the cover with the new sticker on to remind you when to replace it again next time. Twist it back on. And now you're done with the filter part. Now run your water system for 5 minutes. It is normal right after a change to have some water bubbles and splashing. That quickly goes away. Pour that water down the sink, return the cup, and repeat the process for about 5 minutes. And I always like to test it out afterwards. That tastes good, clear, crisp, just like it would with a standard filter. So if you're looking for a water filter for your Frigidaire water system, I highly recommend these by Waterdrop just because of how much more affordable they are and because of the great water filtration these things bring.